Thank you so much, Girish. I can see that love and dedication for this college. It is like you have poured in so much of love towards our college. It is, I'm so glad. I'm so glad. I'm seriously telling you. I can see that love and dedication towards the college and your lecture. I mean, nobody else could have been best fitted in this part what you have done today. Thank you so much for your highly motivating class where you actually said that time management is a stepwise a process where you have to organize, plan all your time between your specific activities. You discussed all the implications of the poor time management. You showed us what are the different kinds of techniques that how we need to manage the time. Apart from that, you have solved our problem where you have not only made the students understand the importance that what are ethics, what are the principles which you need to follow in the life. So I'm very glad and thankful to Girish sir that he has imparted almost everything what a KMK teacher would have imparted in them. So you are truly an amazing family part. I would not say an alumni, I would include you as our part only. I don't want to use that word you are our alumni or nothing like that. You are just part, active, very very active part of this family, and thank you for being with us and sharing all the ethical principles and everything you put for this time management. So you just from your lecture I could just pick up one simple line about time management. What you taught is that your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. So thank you so much, Girish, and I'm really glad, and I hope students also would be glad that they had an opportunity to be with you, to get all the necessary inputs and your insights what you could share. So I would
Very nice session, Girish.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. It's all from
And
the family.
keep going and keep preparing that videos and all.
Yes, sir. Yes,
And keep that all motivational videos on YouTube.
yes, sir.
So, and I hope that all may go viral.
thank you, Girish, so much for your time. Today you taught us time management, and your time, your words, 1,000,000,000. I don't know how much I could say, but it is just worth everything. So thank you so much, Girish. I would like to thank Mrs. Manjari Gharat Madam, also our in charge principal, who gave us this opportunity so that our students can come up and take this as the part they could learn something from our alumni people. I would like to thank Sunil sir also, who made this schedule, who selected our best people who can come on this podium and talk to us and share their knowledge with us. So thank you, students, to you also who shared your time, who came over here and listened patiently, contributed your inputs also in this particular event. I hope you all must have enjoyed, and in future I expect the same attendance what I saw today, because it is really overwhelming to see students come up and share their views also. So thank you everybody once again. So Girish sir, thank you so much.
Yes,
see you again in the future.
Yes, sir.
And I'm really overwhelmed and enjoyed with this lecture today. Thank you all.
Thank you.